Do you want to create an online trial account and print your theme cards? Yes, you can do it for free for 30 days. And when your trial expires, you can ask your printer reseller for one more activation code to extend your free trial for more 30 days. Before you can do any operation in CardEditor, you need to identify yourself in a safe way. You can do it using your preferred social login provider. If you prefer, you can create an email and password authentication in a safe way using Auth0 authentication provider. Before you continue, I recommend you to see my concept video where I explain the difference between accounts, users, social logins and Auth0 login. Just click in the link below. My name is Afonso and I'm going to show you how to create a trial account in CardEditor Web. If you are visiting our website, you need to click on CardEditor Web, and to create an account you just need to click Free Trial. Now you are going to create an email and password authentication using Auth0, or you can use the easy way, using your preferred social login. If your language is wrong, you can change it here. Then you need to fill in your username and password for your authentication. For the password is required a password with uppercase and lowercase letters mixed with numbers. After that, you can click Sign Up. You need to wait to receive the authentication email. Then, go to your email client to find CardEditor email, open it and click in Verify your account. Now it's time to fill the account details. You can decide if you want to use your Google Drives and finally accept our terms and conditions to create an account. It's important to fill your account or company name because they are used in our templates. In CardEditor you can have direct access to your Google Photos. I recommend it because you can share your photos with different apps on different devices. For example, you can use your mobile phone to take a picture and automatically use that picture in a template to print a card. Because I store in my phone pictures in Google Photos, I'm going to choose Google Photos. If you have an activation code, you can select here and fill the activation code. In my case, I will choose the 30 days trial. As always, we recommend you to read any terms and conditions before using any service. And at this moment, you are ready to click on Create Account. After the license is verified, a rotating spinner appears while our servers are working. This will take some time and we need to wait. Now you can explore and use your trial account. I hope this video was useful for you and we want to know your opinion because it's very important to us. If you have any suggestion to a new feature or to improve an existing one, please also feel free to send me an email with all the information that you have so I can propose them to the development team. You can find useful links below. I hope you like my videos and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe below, I will appreciate it. Bye and we will see us in the next video.